Good morning. It is Friday, right? Yeah, it's Friday. I'm leaving town tomorrow. I'm going to visit my friend Lisa in North Carolina. So I'm excited. I'm gonna make a pill pack for Samson. He's gonna be dropped off tonight because my flight is at 6 a.m. out of LAX. So I'm gonna be leaving my house around 3:30 in the morning. Yeah. And I'm gonna drop him off at the dog sitter this evening. I'm gonna get all his medications and supplements ready to go. And then I wanna pack his to-go box or bag. So today we're packing for me, we're packing for Samson. I also know that I wanna come home to a clean house for sure. So I'm gonna straighten up this kitchen. No more cooking is taking place today. I'm gonna clean up, put away all the dishes, check the fridge, make sure that there's nothing in there that I need to discard. And just, I'm looking forward to coming home to a clean house. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna do laundry. Yeah, okay, so let's get started. Pills, here we go. Okay, he's on this. He gets one morning and night. Oh, this is so cute. Fish oil. Oh no, I don't know if I have enough. Oh, we have enough. Yes. He takes this every morning. And then this is a very complex routine. Monday night, he takes 3 of these. Wednesday night, he takes 3. Friday night, he takes 3 of those. Baby boy is ready. My summer dress. Only time of year I wear this dress. It's kind of like a vintage caftan look. Summertime is the perfect time to make upgrades to your home. And that's exactly what I did with the help of Walmart. I want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I am going to show you a few of my favorite things that I picked out. I like to use the app, easiest shopping experience. You download the app, it has 5 stars. I like to search sometimes by categories, and I knew I was looking specifically for kitchen upgrades. And I really like the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore line that Walmart carries. I put that in as a category on the app. And what I love about it is these items they really do live up to their name. They're beautiful, but they're functional. And I picked out necessities. So I got this trio set of knives. Very nice, very affordable. That's one of my favorite things about Walmart is you will find the best prices. I do not like paying a penny more than I have to for an item. I will always get the best deal. Plus everything I ordered delivered straight to my door. I don't have to go out in this hot heat. The second item I picked out is this personal blender set. I don't have a blender, and she actually carries another blender that's touchscreen. I'll link it below the video in the description box along with my other picks. But I went with this 12-piece set. One, because it comes with this smaller attachment piece. I can grind spices, I can grind coffee beans. And the main thing I like to use a blender for is, maybe making a salsa, a soup, a smoothie. And it came with this adorable, how cute is that? Little gold handle. I picked this lavender color. That's the color scheme is just, it's precious. This is the base. I like how compact and small it is too. Any appliance that I'm leaving out on countertops, I want it to be almost like a piece of decor. So why not pick out a pretty color? Now the piece de resistance that I picked out is my new microwave. She's a beauty. I went with the classic white color. She's touchscreen, and it is quite an improvement from the 20-year-old microwave I've had on top of my refrigerator. And it's those changes, those swap outs that really can make a space elevated. If you are looking to add in some trending pieces for summer, for decor, or staples, necessities like I did for the kitchen, definitely go to walmart.com. I will link all of my favorites underneath the description box. I'll link the items that I picked out. Plus, I always am saving favorites on the app, so I'll link a few more of those across the different categories from home decor, even a few clothing items that I think are very darling and charming for this season. Linked in the description box below. Thanks Walmart for sponsoring today's video, and let's keep going. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday? I have load number 1 going. I'm gonna switch it to quick wash. It'll wash in like 20 minutes instead of an hour. Okay. 21 minutes, first load, and then I'm gonna do those whites back there with his help, of course. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Kitchen's looking good. It's clean. It's clean enough. It's a hot day today, so I'm gonna take this sweatshirt off, open the curtains in the living room, and straighten up in there. Found this coffee table book on the sidewalk this week. Look how gorgeous. It's a bunch of homes. I think they're all mid-century modern homes. Comes with the architecture plans. So cool. How cool is that? I would love that. I would really love that living room. Love how it's designed. Love the big windows. I love when you can see outside nature in the comfort of your home. Beautiful. So gorgeous. So yeah, I looked up the book. It's an $80 book. Good find. Much better. I'll do the bedroom tonight because I want to just make the bed and then pack. It's too hot in there. Bedroom's not bad. Samson? Huh? Hi. Just got back from our walk. Here is Samson's suitcase for the week. 1 package of frozen food, 1 package of thawed out, his favorite sticks here, bag with his treats, his dental bones, his medications, all in there, and his little lunch baggie. That'll go in there. His leash, his brush. I always give her this pepper spray just in case, I don't know, walking around at night. I'm gonna give her his dog bowls here, and then he's sitting in his bed, and that's everything he needs for your week away at summer camp. Are you ready? You ready? You excited? Yeah. He's ready. He's ready. I have dropped off my little baby and I miss him. It's very empty here without him. I'm packing my bag. I'm keeping things very, very minimal. I'm gonna bring a backpack this time instead of my long shop. And it's personal item only. So no carry-on, just a personal item. So small backpack and then my belt bag. And the way I like to travel is I have my plane outfit, the outfit that I'm gonna wear on the plane, and then everything I need for the plane will go into my belt bag, and then everything else I need for the trip goes into my backpack. So I'll just show you the clothes that I'm bringing. I'm going for 1 week, and I will definitely have repeat outfits. This is like a midi length kind of caftan style dress. This is my linen black jumpsuit. This is a lightweight linen midi shell dress. And then I have these shorts that you wear under a dress so your thighs don't rub together. And then I have my leggings, my black leggings, white t-shirt. Yeah, okay, these are my undies. This is my everyday hat. This is the backpack I'm gonna bring. All right, here's my plain outfit. So I'm just gonna do gray t-shirt, these like lounge legging pants. I washed these today and something went all over the pant leg, so I'll have to roller these. Anyways, these comfy lounge pants, gray t-shirt, my sunglasses. This is the bag that will, oh, I have my wallet in here. I'll simplify this. I just bring my driver's license and my debit card. And then same with my keys. I'll take all these off. I'll just bring the one for my car. I don't need all my other house keys. I'm going to bring my little scarf that I love. I'm going to wear my jewelry, not bringing any jewelry. This will be for all of my stuff for filming. That will be for my laptop, my brush. This is like my medical type stuff, my contacts, my inhaler, my drugs for my migraines. And then I have my little pill pack with all kinds of pills. I love this little organizer. So that's my little wellness bag. And then this is my Liquids TSA bag, which is basically my, let's see, highlighter. I'm doing no foundation. I'll do my sunscreen, my highlighter. These are just moisturizers, lip gloss, my powder for my brows, and then my toothbrush and toothpaste. That's it. Some hand sanitizer, face oil. Oh, my little scrunchie will go in there. And I've got gum. I'm going to take these out, but I like to have gum on the plane, so that'll go in here. So, yeah. Let me start packing it up. And, oh yeah, shoes. Oh yeah, I always bring a plastic bag. These are going to be my sandals. I'm going to pack these, and I'm going to wear these tennis shoes for the plane. But yeah, I think that's everything I need, really. I think that's it. Traveling personal item only means that I really have to keep things super simple, and I like traveling like that. I actually think I packed a little heavy. I don't know that I needed to bring 2 dresses. I think 1 dress would have been enough, and I'm wearing leggings on the plane, so I probably didn't need to bring that extra pair of leggings also. I'm sure I'll use everything, but these are things to think of. It is summertime. I just need a lightweight dress and some comfy clothes. I'm not going anywhere fancy, so comfort is the most important thing for this trip. This backpack has so many different compartments. Okay, so the back compartment has my laptop, and then in here I did my medicine bag, my brush. That's it. Oh yeah, and my tripod. And then in here's all my clothing. And then at the bottom here, I did my undergarments, and stuffed in here is my pair of sandals. And then this is my bag for the flight that I'll wear around my waist. And that has my sunglasses, my pills, my TSA check bag, and in the back it has my wallet. And some gum. I just left gum loose. That's fine. And then I tied my scarf to the top here, my hat, and then this here is my outfit, my plain outfit. And my shoes, my plain shoes. I'm packed. Done packing. Okay, I'm gonna set my alarm. Hot shower will help. Drink some water. Relax. Get some sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed right now. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. I will make sure to vlog my trip. Going to Charlotte, North Carolina, and Charleston, South Carolina. And hanging out with my friends. Yay! Okay, see you soon. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.